guys, welcome back to my channel. So I had ordered a couple of things from Amazon and Temu and noon. So I thought of doing this quick haul video. It's nothing major, nothing fancy, just few stuff that I wanted to share with you guys because I was just opening these packages. And I will not make this video long by giving the review of these things. I will make separate videos on reviews of each of these things, so keep waiting for that. But without further much talking, let's quickly dive into it. So the first things that I got is a couple of phone cases from Temu. I actually got 10 cases from Temu because I think they have this limit of spending minimum. तो अब वो minimum में जितने मेरे पास phone cases आ रहे थे मैंने सब खरीद लिए. So I'll just quickly dive into it without further much wait. So first thing that I got from Temu, the phone cover that I got is this one in stripe. Again, the reviews of these phone cases will come up separately on the channel, so keep waiting for that. So this is one case that I have ordered. So it's nice. Stripe with the orange lemons. I guess those are lemons. Yeah, lemons from that. Then I have always wanted, I always saw people carrying neon cases, and if you buy officially from Apple website, they cost too much. So when I was getting this thing in fraction of price, I got it. So this is this neon pink case that I have got. I really like neon colors, so I thought of getting this. Then another case that I got is this one. So it has I believe these are apples on the cover. They seem to be very cute, so I got it. Then next case that I have got is this one. So it's stripes and it comes with a pop socket with it. So you just like website पर तो ऐसे ही दिख रहा था. So you put this pop socket. तो मुझे combination अच्छा लगा, like stripes और ये cherry red color का pop socket है. So I got it. Then next cover that I got is this one. Now the interesting part about this cover is, I'll show you guys the star part of this cover. So you can see this doggy, and if not many people know me, I'm a dog lover. Like I'm an animal lover in general. So when I saw this case, I knew I had to get this because I just like this combination of colors. उसके ऊपर ये जो doggy का जो भी इन्हें बनाया हुआ है, I just loved it. So I got myself this, being a animal lover. Then one classic case I got myself is this one. इसका quality actually थोड़ा मुझे flimsy लगा, but still I like the pattern on it. तो और मुझे कलर भी अच्छा लगा, so I got this. Next up is this case again with blue, yellow, and तो मुझे इसका combination actually अच्छा लगा. So it was like basically yellow color जिसपे blue color के stars. I had other options also, but मुझे ये combination specifically बहुत अच्छा लगा, so I thought of getting it. So this is basically yellow पे printed ऐसे stars हैं. Again, this is like what wavy वाला जो texture होता है. I think that texture वाले जो mobile cases are that are quite in these days. तो फिर then I got this one. You have another brand, I believe, Castify, जिसके cases होते हैं. They're super high quality, I believe, but super pricey as well. The next case again for dog lover, this one. So I like the combination उसपे जो dogs का picture बना हुआ है. I love this. Next up is this case. तो ये एकदम ही summer को mind में रखते हुए मैंने मंगवाया है case. Summer और beachy season को रखते हुए. So you can see all of these appliques here, like flowers, watermelon, shells, और वो जो आपको beachy types का vibe देता है. So I'm not sure कि इस पे वो reflect हो रहा है कि नहीं, but it's more of ऐसा थोड़ा reflective वाला है. So I got this. And the last case that I got myself is this one. So इस पे भी, as I told you, I'm into turtles. वो ना ऐसे मुझे वो पैटर्न बहुत अच्छा लगता है. Turtles, starfish. आजकल इसकी ना क्लिप्स भी बहुत ट्रेंड में है. So keeping that theme in mind, I got myself, and this actually seems good quality. तो ये वाला I got, and I just like the quality of this cover. Actually, I think from all of these, this is the best quality, I think, of the case. So yeah, now that we are done with cases, few another things that I got for my mobile are this was from Temu. Now I'm going to Amazon. So Amazon से I bought these pop sockets. ये बहुत cute है. So I got these two pop sockets. Just look at the shape and the color. Like कितना girly है, and how cute and summer friendly. So ये pink color का flower and green color का. I love the color combination. So ये actually दो के packs में आया, and I just really loved it. Imagine this on your phone और ऐसा बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. So this is one thing that I got for my phone. Another thing I got for my phone is this interesting thing. So this is basically lanyard, and this is from the brand Surfy. I think Amazon पे सबसे ज़्यादा इसके ही reviews थे. और basically ये क्या होता है ना कि फ़ोन आपको ना अभी पर्स में फिट नहीं आ रहा है, and you just need to carry it around. So this thing is good. Like basically it's a lanyard. You put this thing in your phone, and then you can just put it across your like this. और बहुत ही I've seen a lot of people wearing carrying phone with this, and it looks super trendy. So I got myself this lanyard. Again, review of each and every individual thing will come up on the channel, so guys do not worry. In the package guys, I got this thing. I'm not sure if this is sticker या क्या है, जो भी है. Yeah, I think this is sticker. So बहुत cute है. So I think I'll put this in my mobile. So this is one additional thing that I got in the package. Next, one important thing that I got myself is from Amazon. Guys, I got this for myself from Amazon. So this one is basically सेल्फी रिंग लाइट. तो अभी क्या होता है, व्हेन आई शूट फ्रॉम फ्रंट कैमरा, बट मुझे बैक कैमरा से शूट करना है, सो आई डोंट गेट दैट जजमेंट कि मेरे को कौन से एंगल में करना है. सो फॉर दैट रीजन एंड टू गेट दैट ब्राइटनेस ओवर माई फेस, आई ऑर्डर दिस. सो दिस इज बेसिकली थिंग दैट यू पुट इट ऑन बैक. इट्स मैग सेफ. सो यू पुट इट ऑन योर बैक ऑफ योर फोन एंड इट इज कपल्ड विद अ लाइट. सो अब मैं ये डाल दूंगी. सो इट्स लाइक मोर ऑफ अ मिरर ऑल्सो इफ यू सी दिस. सो आई बी एबल टू, वंस आई पुट इट ऑन बैक ऑन द फोन, आई बी एबल टू सी द एंगल ऑफ माइन, एंड इट कम्स विद अ लाइट एज वेल. अभी तो ये आई थिंक चार्ज करना है. सो जब मैं डालूंगी देन आई कैन रोटेट इट एंड पुट लाइट ऑन माई फेस ऑल्सो. अगेन डिटेल्ड रिव्यू ऑफ दिस विल डेफिनेटली कम अप. So we are done with Amazon and Temu. Now next thing that I got from Noon, because I think there's some major sale going on, are these lip glosses from Maybelline. So I got shades. First one up is 008, that's Stone. Then 005, that's Pearl. And 005 as Silk. And these are basically lifter gloss. And then I got one as a lifter plump gloss. This is in shade 003 Pink Sting. So I'll just quickly swatch them on my hands and show you guys. So this shade that I'm swatching is 005 Petal. It's a very nice nudie shade. Just look at the shade guys. ये gloss है. इसका intensity देखो इतना अच्छा है. इसका intensity is just like a liquid lipstick, but this is actually a gloss. In fact, I'm going to do a video specific to glosses, my favorite glosses on my channel. This one is in the shade Stone, in case it's not visible to you guys. I really like these shades. Then this one is 004 Silk. So that's how the silk shade looks like. And the last, that's the plumping lip gloss in the shade Pink Sting. बहुत लाइट है इसका जो भी लिखा है ऊपर, बट इट्स मोर ऑफ बेबी पिंक वैसा शेड है. अ लिटिल क्लोज अप ऑन द शेड रेंज. या गाइज, so that is it. That is my quick Amazon, Temu and Noon haul. Thank you so much for watching.